Hello everyone, good morning. Today I'm going to bring the new vibes in my video. That last couple of the days I have been thinking that I need to battle with my mind actually, because challenging with the mind is the big battle actually. If you can conquer with these challenges, I think you can win every single of your life. And by the way, I got these challenges. Now I'm walking on foot, the natural beauty of our village. Sometimes I come here when I feel very sad. This is really a good vibes. When I talk with the nature, I find so many answers and so many questions. I try to solve this by myself actually. In this video, I'm going to start a new project. Like I want to just flash our natural beauties and my villagers information according to the Wikipedia. In fact, there are 19,064 people are living in this village, where the education percentage only 42.9%. Can you believe? Can you believe that? Less than 50%. Less than 50%. So now, how many people can talk in English actually? I'm not saying this. I'm the proud and I'm a lucky boy, but I will be lucky on that moment when people can speak English. People can speak diversity language actually. This is the big challenge in myself. But I don't know if I will win these challenges actually. I think I would win because I'm thinking about the way of my challenge. If I talk about the thing is why you are starting the new project in this video. I'm not coming here just talking about the nature actually, but last couple of the days I have been suffering from huge problem. Nobody will say, Gazi, you are suffering from mental pressure. I like to laugh. Believe me, I like to laugh. I'm a biggest actor. I'm a biggest fighter actor in the real life. This is true. Nobody will say, Gazi, you have been suffering from some family problem or something like that. But I do. Yeah, that's I do. I born in a middle classes family. I took over the responsibility of my family since 2014. I'm still fighting. I just pushed away my dreams and trying to save my young siblings' dream. So I'm doing this only for my mother actually. I love my mom. I would change my life, as my mother always pray for me that Gaji, you will go a long way. That's all of my thoughts. Okay, so keep up your head, don't worry, never be sad. So good things is coming to you. That's all I see in your face. In my village, most of the people just the earning source comes from the fish farming, and also there are a few more business factories that has been created in my village. By the way, people can earn the money. This is really a good vibe also. Nowadays I see most of the cities people are rushing to my village because it's a good place also for living under this village. Not too bad actually, but the problem is our population is increasing day by day. This is not too good actually for our people. Even at the same time, if I talk about the negative side, living so many people here is we'll have to face in the future. We will get short of earning source. We lost the people that comes over in our village. Well, I have been challenged just talking to the nature within half an hour. That's why.